Hello everyone. Myself, Mohammed Ahad, would like to initiate our presentation of Group 10 on Nokia. We are marketing and branding product Nokia 5G into the Canadian market. We have a series of events which will be taken off by my fellow mates during this campaign. Before starting our presentation, I would like to thank a professor, Susan Ross. We love you, Professor. Now, I would like to introduce to you my wonderful, talented teammates and family, starting off here with Manpreet, Amir, Raj, Daman, Harkirat, and myself. Moving forward to next slide is going to be presented by Harkirat.
Thanks a lot, Ahad, for the wonderful introduction. Starting with brand statement, that is connecting people. Nokia here wants to create a new world. Their vision is to create a world where people connect with each other. Coming down to brief introduction of Nokia, Nokia has its strong hold in the market of technologies, mainly cell phone industry. Nokia was successful in making a brand image due to its early entry with cell phones in the market, gradually upgrading and launching better versions of cell phones and giving GSM network. Now talking about challenges, Nokia is facing problem with their vision and goal which needs to be fixed. Currently, Nokia's market is comparatively down, which is the reason why people are not choosing the brand as no one is hearing about it and its upgrades. Now, my friend Raj will take over.
Now I'm going to talk about creative strategy. Our creative strategy revolves around the big idea of the company about differentiation in the products. We try to infuse the idea as we believe this will help us to segment and target the audience on point. Next slide, please. Key message. We strive to convey the flagship mobiles features which have been updated according to the needs of the customer. We sincerely strive to change the perception in the minds of customers about the brand, which is it is not fast or the apps are not updated. After apps are updated and interface is slow, but we want to change this perception by highlighting the updated features through our campaign. Next slide, please. Tone and style. The tone has a high weightage in conveying a message, as our brand personality is conveyed through a statement, which, when read, it states the tone. And since the product wants to convey that we changed, our team came up with the extension of the tagline, connecting people faster, which has meaning of saying about the main feature of our brand, that is 5G, and faster word aptly conveys it. We hope to change the perception and inform our audience that we have adapted to their requirements without tagline connecting people faster. Thank you.
Now coming to the appeal technique. Appeal technique aim is to bring the product benefits claims to life. What can we do to change the perception of the audience on the product? Since our main goal is to convey the major updates of Nokia, we prefer to use a positive tone rather than a negative or humorous tone. The reason is because in any situation, people tend to perceive information more in a positive tone. I mean, if we try to introduce humor, then the chance of diverting from main matter is more. That's the reason we use positive appeal to inform on major updates by stressing on 5G, interactive interference, and durability, as these were the points the company was lacking before. We plan to stress on these updates. Now moving towards the big idea. Nokia uses a differentiation strategy which aims to target a wide range of audience with a different kind of mobile. So identified that the company strategy can be introduced into our IMC campaign to convey a big idea. For say, if we are targeting to convey on 5G and connectivity, we prefer to use channels like radio where visualization is not possible. And as many people listen to radio while traveling, we stress on 5G, which convey faster connectivity. This way, We can easily convey our components in an appropriate channel with high possibility to reach.
Media strategy. The ultimate objective of this campaign is to publicize Nokia again in the Canadian market. Furthermore, return of investment is important for any company, hence it is very crucial for Nokia to promote its 5G fast product by using Android 10 operating system in the market in a way which can benefit the company and increase the brand awareness. However, our strategy behind promoting our product is using shotgun target market method, where we can cover the whole market in one shot. Also, the target market will be around youngster millennials, but even though we are doing mass population marketing, let's move on to the next slide. Media communication channel are the networks which we are using to promote our brand into the market and increase the demand and awareness of our products. Also, we are going to tell them the feature and advantages of choosing our Nokia cell phones with Android 10 platform. We are going to use channels such as network channel, which is TV advertisement, radio promotion will focus on mass communication, population, and use the audio to communicate this strategy. Newspaper with clear features, also outdoor advertising on the hoarding boards across the country and internet-based advertisement, which will be on social media. So let's talk about this in detail in the next slide.
So first we will talk about television. Advertising on television allow companies to show and inform a wide audience about their business, product, and service. It allows the companies to actually demonstrate the benefits of the products and services they are selling. So in this we can use television as source of media because television is the most popular source of broadcast media. For Nokia, we will buy media space on CBC and City TV channels as these are very famous. By using television, we will be able to reach large number of population in one time, whether it is rural or urban. So move to the next slide, please. Radio advertising can have spectacular results if everything goes right. Some advertisers call radio as a Cinderella medium. Radio advertising offers opportunity to deliver a simple yet powerful message to a targeted group of consumers that may be interested in product or service. Radio advertising allows to deliver short and powerful message to a target audience. For this, we will decide a fixed time for target audience. We will give advertising more frequently so that listeners get to know about the product, and we will also give the promotional offers to attract more and more people. So next slide, please. So moving to newspapers, we will be using newspapers for advertising. Newspapers are cheap yet mass mode of advertising. Newspapers offer services to help them design and effective display pieces. The company will get media space on newspaper, mostly the National Newspaper of Canada, that is an NP. So in this way, the company will be able to reach large number of people at affordable prices. Newspapers offer better targeting. Newspaper advertising can target specific demographics that are traditionally more difficult to reach through other mediums. This allows advertisers to effectively reach smaller niche audiences, including those in specific geographical areas. So next slide, please.
Outdoor advertisement going to benefit the company when it is going to attract mass number of people in the market. Moreover, we are using very precise content, good graphics and color to display the quality of our product in very short video with less budget cell phones. Also, the campaign is focusing about eye-catchy content where we are going to showcase them the speed of the games on the cell phones with short visuals. Moreover, it is important for us to select such zones in area where it will be easy for getting more customers. By showing in the crowded market, city hubs, downtowns, we are creating a space in the mind of the people about Nokia new 5G smartphone with using Android 10. In addition, time and frequency is very important, where we are going to put our ads on the morning when people usually go for work around 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and in evening time where people come from work and hang out around 5 to 8 p.m. Hence, with coding, we are going to tell them about Nokia and Android operating system with the speed and good prices which can create a space in their mind. Let's move to the next slide. In this slide, we will look social media internet-based advertising, which is a very big platform and growing technology. And faster speed of internet has made it accessible and convenient for all people to access internet at anywhere at any time. With just few steps, hence this platform is very crucial and convenient way to reach the customer, especially millennials and youth who like to be updated with latest technology. The social media platform allows audio as well as video with images for marketing. Currently trending social media platforms are YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. To promote our brand Nokia and its advanced technology with the Android operating system, also social media marketing will reach everyone at any time on the cell phones, computer, tablets, online, TV, etc. Now let's move to the blocking chart.
So this for campaign. We like to use CTV comedy channel and CP24 news channel as medium to convey a big idea through advertisement on television. During NBC and NHL matches, whenever the scorecard appears, we will flash our advertisement to spread awareness about our product. Then comes radio. We will air our radio advertisement on the radios for about 15-30 seconds for mostly whole week of the first and last month and during morning and evening peak hours. With this, we will be able to reach a larger audience, and reputation, we all know, will play a crucial role in attracting consumer and enforcing recognition. Coming down to billboard, we will be using billboard for our campaign throughout the period on major road and highways. We will basically prefer the window time in the morning between 8 to 10 a.m. and evening between 5 to 9 p.m. Then comes digital advertising. Under digital advertising, we will use our blogs and search engine optimization, which will in turn enhance the visibility of our product and increase website traffic, which will drive awareness about our campaign. Then comes our social media. Our advertisement will run on for 30 to 60 seconds on YouTube for 2 weeks in a month, whereas advertisement on those other social websites such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter will be consistent throughout the period of the campaign. Ads on Instagram will be non-intrusive and is less likely to annoy the target audience. Also, the engagement rate of our target customer is high in social websites such as Instagram, Twitter, as compared to YouTube. Talking about the stadium, continuing with the focus on behavior of our target market, which is mostly millennials, we will buy space in the stadium and advertise our product throughout the period of the campaign, which will provide an average of 700,000 views per game. Then comes a newspaper. For magazine and newspaper, the frequency of advertising will be again throughout the period of the campaign. We will market our product with the help of the best Canadian newspapers such as Globe and Mail, Toronto National. Now the production budget. Number one would be the sponsorship and event strategy for football match will account for 5% of the total budget allotted for the implementation of campaign. The pre-launch campaign will receive approximately 5% of the total amount of the budget. This will be needed to grab the attention of the audience towards the product, and we will announce the entirety of the content to deliver the lineup about what we are going to sell. The launch campaign will be earmarked with $1 million, and that is 20% of the total budget, because the company will need to work really hard to create brand awareness for building good reputation in eyes of the customer. Now, the bigger portion of budget will go to the digital media, as people nowadays are obsessed with electronic gadgets such as mobile phone, laptop. Thus, digital marketing will spearhead our campaign and hence require more attention. Therefore, 30% of the total budget will be allocated to digital media, which is approximately $1.5 million. Now, the social media websites such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram will get around $250,000, which is 5% of the total share. The sports stadium will be earmarked for 10% of the total budget, which will be the total of $500,000. The company will buy space for billboards at Stadium of Toronto Maple Leaf games. The remaining 5% will be accounted towards other form. This will include point of purchase, pamphlet, magazines, and newspaper. Next slide, please.
Yeah, so before talking about graphic treatment, we need to know what and why we need it. The answer is simple. To learn about a product or information really quick, as much easier than reading description section of a product, isn't it? Moving ahead, we created 3 graphics for this Nokia 5G campaign, which you will see in next 3 slides. This one, as you see, is our billboard, which is one famous form of graphic presentation of large information to its targets. As billboards are huge and are placed on highways, therefore tourists and travelers commuting can see and ultimately catch our information, which we want to impart through this billboard. Which is some key points about a Nokia phone. It is lightning fast, have sleek design, it's durable, which is and have a friendly, easy user interface, or we say platform of operation. Next comes newspaper, which can be electronically, that is online everywhere. Newspaper have a huge audience, therefore we can get most of our target market from this platform. Again, showing and commenting about the design and attractive selling features of our product. Now, other critical or hotshot area we can cover is television. Almost everybody somehow enjoys and watches once in a day. So we can market the product on this platform. However, this will cost a bit more extra, but worth the money spent. We can make a video showing our lightning fast, bold features of our Nokia 5G device, and hence help in gaining our market and market share. Well, moving ahead, this brings an end to a presentation of Nokia 5G campaign. Once again, we thank you for all the support and sweet memories in the semester. Thank you and have a nice day from Group 10.